Okay. You better work.
Would you like to leave any last words, babe, just in case?
Somebody take care of the dog.
Well, you have to. You can't say that. You have to say something specifically.
Nancy, you get Duke, Nancy, you get Duchess, and Mom, you get Duke.
No, they both go together. You're not separating them. She's wrong.
Kapipi umay o ke hanu e nue ngai ho olu wa hani ke mole e nam 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 ma ka ni ke ha ma ma mai ha mai I a ke a I ka wa I hey rua arua kawa o kala kawa he Kapua mai ole I te la Ke pua mai la I ka mauna I ke kua hiwi o mauna ke am Te am mai la I kila wea Mala mala mai I wahine ka pu Akaluna o we ka huna I ka pali ka pu o te au ea He a mai ke ali I ki a manu Apo Hawaii, oh, kalaka wa he inoa. Kalaka wa.
Oh, kalaka wa he inoa. O kapua mai oi kala. Kapua mai la I ka mauna. I ke kua hiwi o manke. Kia mai la I kila wea. Mala mala mai
Mahalo nui a ke ali I wahine O ni ni huna ni o ke mohiku Hira mai ke ali I ki a manu Ua wehi ka huru o kumamo Ka puanga ni a o Hawaii O kalaka wa he inoa Okay, this one's for Gabby. you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
President, Mr. Speaker, members of the Senate and the House of Representatives. Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. The United States was at peace with that nation, and at the solicitation of Japan, was still in conversation with its government and its emperor, looking toward the maintenance of peace in the Pacific. Indeed, 1 hour after Japanese air squadrons had commenced bombing in the American island of Oahu, the Japanese ambassador to the United States and his colleague delivered to our Secretary of State a formal reply to a recent American message. While this reply stated that it seemed useless to continue the existing diplomatic negotiations, it contained no threat or hint of war or of armed attack. It will be recorded that the distance of Hawaii from Japan makes it obvious that the attack was deliberately planned many days or even weeks ago. During the intervening time, the Japanese government has deliberately sought to deceive the United States by false statements and expressions of hope for continued peace.
Kapipi umay o ke hanu e nueng vai ho olu ahani ke mole e na maka ke a mala vai ha vai I ake a I kawai hey rua torla kawa o kala kawa Kapua mai ole I te la He pua mai la I ka mauna I ke kua hiwi o mauna ke am He a mai la I kila wea Mala mai wahine ka pu Hakaluna o we ka runa I ka pali ka pu o ta au ea He a mai ke ani I ki a manu Abo Hawaii, oh kalaka wa hei noa.
Kalaka wa hei noa, kapua mai oi kala. Kapua mai la I ka mauna, I ke kua hiwi o manike. Kia mai la I kila wea, mala mai.
Well, Dad, what'd you think? Oh,
What'd you think? I think it was marvelous, awesome, unbelievable, all kinds of words.
It was really cool. Oh well, you know, you're watching all the videos. Yeah, you got to go with us. You know who would have liked that? Michael.
Of course.
Michael would have liked it. Yeah. Totally worth it. Thank you, Dad.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Dad.
You're quite welcome.
Thank you.
I'm glad we could do it.
That was awesome.